Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. So today we have another unboxing. This time actually a watch I got from a friend of the channel, Harun. Thank you so much for the watch, or watches actually. We'll see another unboxing and I'll compare it with other watches in my collection. Follow his Instagram, it's watchmade. I'll leave also a link in the description. Thanks again. He always supported the channel, supported me, and sent me a couple of watches to review from his collection, which I'm really thankful for. So today we have the Tissot. Oh, nice strap. Leloc 1853 PRL-100. So as you can see the ticking, it's a quartz watch with 100 meters of water resistance, has an ETA quartz movement inside, and it has 20 millimeter lug width, but we'll go to the dimensions now. So in diameter, it's around 40 millimeters in diameter. Lug to lug is 44. Thickness 9.5, and the lug width of 20 millimeters. So with the dimensions out of the way, really nice. I like this green on the dial. It looks really nice. The green strap with the dial. And so the reference number of this watch is L164264, and as you can see, it has a almost silverish white dial with black batons, and I think that's lume on the hand. Let us see. Yes, some lume on the hands. We have the date on the 6 o'clock, as you can see, and we have a normal crown, so no screw down crown. Let's put this on 1010, as reviewers do. We have a combination of polished bezel, brushed vertical brush, or horizontal brush sides, and you have chamfers on the side of the watch. So it has a really nice size, I think, and really nice shape, and I do really like how thin it is as well. So as a daily watch, this would be really a nice watch. And I think he even sent us the strap that came with it for the Tissot, this NATO strap. And as you know me, I'm a big fan of NATOs, so I'll definitely put it on the NATO for the testing and the review as well. So put this on the side. I got a smidge on the watch. Sorry about that. Yeah, so I have my Citizen, by the way, on my wrist. And I'll be making also soon, maybe it will be out, my state of the watch collection and summer video for the watches that I will be selling after the summer, because I want to reduce my watch collection, get some funds for the new watch for next year. And as you can see on the wrist, I have a 17 centimeter wrist just for reference. The strap looks really nice and contour is really nice on the wrist as well. So let me know what you think in the comment section. I really think this is a great everyday wash if you're okay with quartz. I think it's an excellent watch. Tissot makes excellent watches, and now with the PRX, I think they're getting the respect that they deserve. So thanks again for watching, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.